Spicy noodles recipe. 8 ounces to 125 grams of your preferred noodles, such as ramen or udon, to tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Adjust for desired spice level to tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic. Minced, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 cup sliced vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, bok choy, etc. Closing parenthesis : 1 cup shredded cooked chicken optional. 1. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. 2. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce and chili garlic sauce. Set aside. 3. Heat vegetable oil in a large pan or wok. Over medium-high heat, add minced garlic and grated ginger, sauteing for about 30 seconds until fragrant. 4. Add the sliced vegetables to the pan and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. 5. If using chicken, add it to the pan and cook until fully heated through. 6. Pour the sauce mixture over the vegetables and protein, stirring to coat evenly. 7. Add the cooked noodles to the pan, tossing everything together until well combined and heated through. Serve your homemade spicy noodles hot and enjoy the bold and flavorful dish. Adjust the spice level according to your preference. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.